Hello, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. Where are you from?
I'm from New York City. How about you?
I'm from Los Angeles, California. Do you like it there?
I've never been to California. What's it like?
It's sunny and has great beaches. What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy reading and painting. How about you?
I like playing basketball and hiking. Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I love To Kill a Mockingbird. What's your favorite book?
I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. Who's your favorite character?
I like Luna Lovegood. She's so unique. Well, it was nice talking to you, Alex.
You too, Emily. Maybe we can chat again soon.
Sounds good. Bye, Alex.
Bye, Emily.